all you guys are coming. And yeah, welcome to Hackathon. Today is our opening ceremony, and I'll talk about more what's going to happen for this time. So I think hearing this term around more of a challenge-based hackathon. Some might be wondering, what is a hackathon? I think I've been talking pretty much before, but it's mainly kind of like a marathon, but instead of running for a long period of time, you're doing a project in a very short period of time, as quickly as possible. And I'm thinking about, hacking. Am I going to be hacking, a website? Am I hacking some sort of stuff? No. However, what hacking is what we're talking about is more of trying to create something, kind of solve some problems, and it's kind of a synonym for just building a new application for a specific project that you're doing. Oh, wrong way. So maybe how is this kind of challenge based? So I want to try. All these challenges are GitHub issues, and all of these challenges, and every challenge that you complete, you get X amount of points. And for more of each challenge you do, the more points you get, you win more prizes. So some of these, we have a total of over $1,000 worth of prizes. So some examples, we have a keyboard, we have headsets with a lava lamp. If your keyboard Lego sets, we have a Lego set here too. So you have a chance to win more of those. So just complete more of those challenges, and you get a chance to win of those prizes. So more about how the audience is for Hackathons is that most of you guys, our distribution so far is majority of you guys are very beginner. Most of you guys, I assume, have not ever done 24/6 before. There is some couple of third, fourth year, but more than 75% of you are very brand new. So we have a lot of very beginner-friendly challenges or GitHub issues for you to do. Most of you guys can do them pretty quickly. They're nicely labeled as beginner-friendly. What kind of tasks is it? Front end or back end stuff? I'm going to learn about more, what technologies you need to be using, and whatnot, and all the fun stuff. And you can also start here. There are many different types of information that you need to be learning. As for housekeeping, for more on the administrative side, for people who have not joined our Discord server, please join our Discord server. It has everything's going to be happening on there. Our icebreakers afterwards, any announcements regarding food for tomorrow, that will be happening tomorrow. On top of that, there is a hacker code of conduct. Please go. I'm not going to go over the code of conduct, but it's currently on our hackathon website. It's also on our Discord server as well. So go please and check that out. If you break the conduct, we will unfortunately have to remove you from the hackathon itself. And lastly, once you join our Discord server, please add your pronouns and roles so we know who you are at all times. So you might be wondering how Friday is working for the next 3 hours. So mainly a Comp 24/6. If you don't know what Comp 24/6 is, it's the introduction to web development course that most of you guys be doing in second year. And it's doing a quick crash course in 1 hour. So mainly, right now is the opening ceremony. I'll be kind of describing how the event is working. Next thing we'll have Shirley. She will be talking about JavaScript Essentials. So all the dynamic things will be happening behind the scenes. Next thing, talk about the one of our other members is going to be talking about client server and databases for our web, kind of more of the structure of your specific web application. Afterwards, I don't think any of you here has a full team or if partial teams needed. We'll have a social period or an icebreaker period that's hosted by Dylan. And so you can meet many different types of people and get your teams up and ready. And at the end of the night, we'll have a starter project deep dive. So we'll give you the actual template at hand so you can see how it all works and you can move forward from there. Yeah.
So this next hour is pretty much until the mastering web development part is really introduction to 24/6, right?
Yes, okay. In a sense, it's a quick introduction to 24/6. But on top of that, if you need to find a team afterwards, you can find a team. So Saturday, I think you're most very here for the Saturday. That's when the real hackathon starts, the big meat of the actual event kind of happening. We have way more events. We go more in depth with more of, instead of basic concepts in 24/6, we go a bit and above and beyond to teach you guys more concepts such as we turn more into more information about the front end, more things about the back end, such as authentication. We're also talking about more responsive web design and some sort of cybersecurity stuff as well. At the end, we'll have Ryan to talk about how to deploy your project to GitHub pages. And at the end, we will have our closing ceremony and prizes. Thank you. Is there any specific questions on how hackathons or anything is going to be working for the next couple of hours or next day as well? Yeah.
Are there going to be slides that will be shared?
Yes, the slides will be shared on the on our Discord.
You walked away from the mic, didn't you, bro?
Anything else? All right, so we're gonna go straight to Shirley to talk more about JavaScript and how it works.
Victor, say there's gonna be transition time. Say there's gonna be transition
And
time.
we're gonna have a small transition time.